साथीहरू, आज फेरि म ट्यागको केही छुटेको भागमा सुरु गर्न गइरहेको छु। इफ द स्टेटमेन्ट has started from indefinite pronoun and demonstrative pronoun such as these, those, somebody, someone, nobody, no one, anybody, anyone, everybody, everyone, the subject of tag will be they. भन्नुको मतलब यदि स्टेटमेन्टको सब्जेक्ट these, those, somebody, someone, nobody, no one, anybody, anyone, everybody, everyone योबाट सुरु छन् भने ट्यागको सब्जेक्ट दे हुनुपर्छ। फर इक्जाम्पल, someone is present, aren't they? Here is given someone. Someone is singular, but its tag will be plural. As like here, someone is present, aren't they? We have to write here aren't they because they always takes plural verb. Nobody has gone, haven't they? Similarly, if the statement has started from indefinite pronoun such as this, that, something, everything, nothing, anything, its pronoun will be it. Means the subject of tag will be changed into it. अर्थात यदि स्टेटमेंट this, that, something, anything, everything, anything इत्यादिबाट सुरु छन् भने ट्यागको सब्जेक्ट इट हुनुपर्छ। फर इक्जाम्पल, समथिङ इज गुड, इजन्ट इट? नथिङ इज प्योर, इज इट? हियर नथिङ इज प्योर भन्नुको मतलब नथिङ नेगेटिभ सेन्टेन्स हो, त्यसैले यसको ट्याग अफर्मेटिभ हुन्छ। दिस इज माई कार, इजन्ट इट? इफ द स्टेटमेन्ट हैज स्टार्टेड फ्रम इन्ट्रोडक्टरी देयर एन्ड वान, यदि स्टेटमेन्ट देयर र वानबाट सुरु छन् भने ट्यागको सब्जेक्ट सेमै आउँछ। फर इक्जाम्पल, देयर इज अ क्याट अन द रूफ, इजन्ट देयर? वान इज नट प्रेजेन्ट, इज वान?